Prophet ﷺ, once a man came to him and complaining about his brother. And he said, you know, I'm a rich man, I'm a businessman, I work hard, I earn, I take money and I spend on my family. But my brother, listen carefully to the hadith, my brother, he doesn't work. Every time ibadah, he's in the masjid, he's ibadah, he's with the Quran, he's doing something and so. Now I'm fed up to spend money on him. Every time I give him in the month, so much money, so much money, so much money. I'm looking after him. Now I'm tired. Now I'm tired. Why should I keep on looking after him? You know, Ar-Rasul sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, he was so gifted, the most gifted. He just said few words. لَعَلَّكَ بِهِ تُرْزَقْ. Maybe because of him you are getting your rizq. Maybe because you are spending money there, so Allah is giving you more. The brother was quiet. The story was over.